I will say that the 48-hour film thing is no joke. Hi lovies, I am on set for a 48-hour film. Right now we're at Masters Borough College for the first location. We have 2 locations today. If you don't know what a 48-hour film is, basically you do everything as far as like finishing writing, production setup, filming and editing in 48 hours. So right now it's like 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to meet up with the crew, go over what we already have for wardrobe, see what else I have to get, and bring you guys along so you can enjoy this journey with me. All right, babies, so let's get ready to go. So I'm sitting in my car. I actually went to Goodwill earlier. Sorry guys. I couldn't really show you like in the store because we're rushing. So what they did, they have 2 runners for me now, so they're actually at the store. I'm just sending text messages back and forth to make sure they get the actual look. I did already get the look for the first scene, which is going to be filmed through lunch, so we're good for a little while. And then after that, we just have to make sure the next 3 scenes we have the looks for those. We're gonna change location, so I'll try to show you guys some more of the next location, but you have to be quiet, so I can't really talk or say anything in there. So I'll just try to do a little bit more video so you can see that.
What are the characters? You guys I just recognize you as your guy.
Do we have extra copies of the tickets to do more boxes? We don't go to print one.
I wanted to make sure that you guys got a chance to see what I was wearing for today, so I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm wearing this top, it's by Zora. I have this skirt, it's from Victoria's Secret. I have on dunks, pandas, whichever one they are, I don't know. That my son got these for me. And some black socks, and then also I have in diamond earrings, ruby earrings that my son actually got me as well. But what I'm doing today is just kind of going over the rest of the day. So I'm gonna pull up a chair. So basically today was a hot mess. We ran all around Nashville. It was 100 degrees and I got a chance to have fun with some great people. I will say that the 48-hour film thing is no joke. We changed the script like 4 times. So that means I had to change wardrobe like 4 times. I know I said earlier I had runners, and then my runners had to leave. So then the last time I had to go to the store. It was crazy. But when I tell you this film is going to be so good, I am so proud of it. And I'm so proud of the team. And I'm so appreciative to Annie and Ryan and everyone, and Josh and everyone that was involved, because it was an amazing opportunity. Being a designer is so much more than just sewing something together. Like, you really have to understand design, style, wardrobe, costume design, and a list of other things to be successful. So I just kind of want to show you guys what we did today. Hopefully you enjoyed the footage, and stay tuned because I will love to bring you more videos like this. Be blessed and love. Zen.